this is a little bit of what the boot camp has got, guys. I mean, it's gonna be burnout, supersets. It's gonna be the Joey Stax boot camp. I'll be putting your ass to the ringer, and I want you guys to sign up, man. Everybody who's been showing love, commenting, you need to get your shit together. This is the boot camp for you. It's 30 bucks, guys. 30 bucks for a 6-week plan. You're gonna be able to communicate with everybody in the group. I'm on the group every single day, chatting it up with you guys, but you gotta be dedicated. I don't want you just signing up and not being dedicated. I want some dedicated people ready to get results. We start helping more people, guys. Help you 6 weeks down the line see a better version of yourself. And that's all I want to do, guys. Help you see a better version of yourself. Check out the 6-week boot camp. It's in the description. What's up, baby?
OG house right here.
Trying to keep everybody hydrated. You know what I'm saying? The new office, new content house. Let the value of this bitch keep on going up for now. At the same time, while I still fix it up, you know what I mean? Little by little, everything I do will be done to its best, so that way it'll be worth more money by the time it goes on the market. This house is going up, bro. Yeah, this house, I've lived this house almost a decade. I've owned this house almost a decade. And I got it for $99K.
Can you put this on the other side of the wall?
Outside, please? Yeah, you got it.
And then they can scan it from that side. Just let them know when you get up front, you have,
Like
4x4s.
Yeah. Most people want me to bring it in, and other people don't. We're gonna use that to do his deck boards with the cedar, and then we'll rinse it out real good, put it in a bag. Well, cause you know, the clear coat will.
I'll just use it on a light board so it darkens it up.
It's a one dark ass board. She's like, can you come and change this?
4471.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, they have a markdown SKU. They have a markdown SKU on them, or they did.
We just need 2 8-footers. Cut it in half.
Reduce?
So I got a 99, also 7.3, and then I got a 2000 Excursion 7.3.
Fuck yeah, man.
My brother just passed by in that green one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he had a 7.3. You might be.
badass.
Yeah, we love it. He's a beast at 7.3, so we work on them and take care of them. They last forever, brother.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Power strokes are.
Badass.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah,
Take care, bro. Way better. Let's go. To work. Playing around, Rick. Switched up the shirt. Got the stained shirt on now. Hi, how are you? Follow me, Rick.
I'm right behind you.
These boards keep getting a lot of water because of the flow coming down the yard. So unfortunately, these two right here, you can see they brought it out faster than all the other ones. This one's damn near all the way through. So we're gonna do a quick repair, stain those boards, and then later on come back for Mr. Taylor and take care of the rest. But yeah, we're just gonna demo these 2 little boards real quick, put the new 8-footers on that we just picked up from Home Depot, and stain them, some cedar tone. I believe we said square tips. A little quick repair. Quick as you make it. Doesn't look like it's gonna work out that way. It's just all rotten. Dude, bro. Tell you, we got a good one. Damn, look. All those broke off. So, since we pulled all the screws up, except for a few, it should come right up, as it did. Nice rotten board. Take that home with you. Now, this actually is only rotten at that end. You could possibly still use the actual board itself. Is still good, look. The rest of it's just rotten on that end. Stretch! How many treated 2x4s you got? I need a couple little ones, but you can see that 2x4 is rotten, that 2x4. Yeah, that's why it's not standing there. Look at all that shit that's built up in there.
Yeah.
So, and I gotta change those 2x4s out, which means I'm gonna have to wiggle some way, somehow. That's the bad one. So I'll take that board off too, you think? Save it?
Yeah.
And then we'll just cut that piece and just put a new one in. But you see how I turned it? That board here and there. Smaller pieces.
Is that deckboard bad?
Nah, not all of it, just some of it. Just like where the water was standing. Want to bring those screws up?
Yeah, right here. You think that
There's 3 of them, one here.
this one will fit in the shorter spot or not? You think
No, that is the shorter one.
this is the short one.
Yeah, the other one's the long one. That one's really way rotted. Really, they're about the shorter. They're about the same distance, but that one is shorter. Pull up on that. Leave that. Clean that. Cut that. Anchor that. All right, stretch. Anchors are cut. We're gonna have to use that other board as a ledger. I'm gonna clean this bitch out as best as I can. That's just Rot City right there. Rot City, Rot City. Rick? Little plumbing line.
Right on top.
It's in there, not on top, but it's just gonna go screwed in there. Stretch! Need your help. Real quick, sir. All right, I need you to grab one of those, that drawer right there, and then the screw, and I'm gonna pull up on this 2x4. I want it to go down a hair though, you know? You have a 3-incher? I don't think you really need a 3-inch if you. Well, okay, you gotta grab it, I guess, right?
Yeah. That way you can go there and put it back.
That way it'll hold it for us too. I'm trying to clean all this fucking shit out of here. Integrity. No one's watching. Are you really doing what you're supposed to be doing? I could just put the boards back on this. You know what I mean? But I know this is gonna hold moisture and rot all the rest of it, so I'm gonna do it right. Done right, baby. Yep. Gotta get a tape, measure it from here to there, anchor it twice, and then we put our 2x4s in. Once you do that, you got 2 anchors, you said? We're gonna cut this one back to like right here. We can get rid of that, and then figure out what we gotta cut this square, make that a board, you know what I mean? And then this one, we can cut that off and put it back on here. And just add a piece, and then whatever else we have dropped is what we're gonna put on there. And then that board stays whole. We gotta make 2 of those. Oh wait, yeah, we gotta make 2 of those. One, we can even use a drop from that if you want.
Yeah.
The new one, right? Yeah. Like a beautiful glove. They literally laid in there. Like literally. Literally, my kids say that, my daughter. Literally. Papa too. Literally. You didn't say it right. It's funny.
It's like And literally makes it more like, yeah.
I guess I laid this bitch a little bit too. You're not halfway, are you? You're a little bit less. Check it out. One here, one there. Feel that bitch. She's solid. Okay, let me start screwing these off. You want to cut that last one? I got it in reverse right now to burn up the wood. Don't want to split my board as bad because it's all dried out here in Texas. So the ones that are right on the edge, right on the fucking edge, man. Give me that third board, please. Look at that. Look at it. To you? Yeah, that looks beautiful for a repair. I ain't never seen a repair so damn beautiful. Besides these two boards, we weren't even here. Shut up, Bumby. How many sections you got? This?
I got 8 left front and back.
8 left, front and back, 16?
Yeah.
Repair's done, screwed off. That's all done, right? Okay, all the tools are out here. We'll be right back. I'm looking at that stain, which is not right back, but whatever. I'm gonna haul ass. People taking advantage of that $20 tee before the merch sells out. $20 t-shirts, baby. 3X's, smalls, some larges in the real recognized real, some 2X's. Go check out the site, guys. $20 tees until we sell out of the old merch. Let's go. So we still gotta do the inside, right?
Yeah.
Did you ever dump that white bucket too?
It's right there. I'm in front of this.
You already dumped it though?
No. I'm not gonna walk it out.
Where's the shovel? Oh, you already put it up? This is the old lid. I'm gonna wash it all out. All that shit. Well, let's get it done.
Straight shot.
Okay.
I see it. We're gonna put one pole here,
Then a gate.
a gate, and then another pole.
They don't need a big gate, do they?
Just a walk in.
Basically. Okay, buddy, we got it. You're huge.
This is the
Oh, you
last
know what
one.
that reminds me of?
Big girl, shut up.
Remember that video?
Yeah.
It's
I
like
know exactly
right
what you're
after.
talking
All that bark.
Big girl's
Face on him.
On the other side of the fence, dude.
We're on that deck. He was like staring off over.
Yeah,
we
it's
were like,
funny.
he's gonna jump the fence.
Easy money, baby. A little workout before the workout. Boom. Boom. Easy money. I love seeing that. Look at that. You see that, Rick? It's victory already. For Stax, victory. Victory. We'll go inside the inside, so halfway on the hole. Got it pretty close on there, though. Lost all that concrete. Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay, so inside to inside, we'll set it somewhere like right there. Now I'm in straight concrete. But I want it to be right up on that edge.
Oh.
So,
I don't know what that is.
Hopefully it's a rock in the middle of
Yeah,
nowhere.
it vibrated the whole ground. That's deep. That's deep enough, but hopefully that one. What we'll do is we'll make this the latch post, or I guess it's the hinge post. So I guess mine's deep enough then. Look at that post.
No, I got one that's shorty.
Yeah, but we gotta, what?
One's a shorty.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we gotta make that one the latch post.
Yeah, it's exactly how.
So this hole, right?
Let's see.
Please. Yep, look at that. I don't know how it sounds like water's in the pool. Yeah. All right, check that level. Good, right?
Fuck yeah, perfect. Set it.
So it's actually a little over 20, so come back. Come, like to where the middle is. I'll tell you when. It's gonna be 10 foot and some change. Come with me, 10-2. What you wanna do? Too damn good for my own good. In Texas, you want your concrete a little soupy. It's a little bit soupy, it molds to the ground better. You know what I'm saying? Not too soupy, but just right. Put rocks in that hole, holds up that post. Should be sailor, baby. Texas is gonna dry in like a couple minutes. Let's worry about this next one now. We got that tape behind you. See that, Rick? Little by little, dude. I saw what I did, I cleaned it. Look at Jesus. 21-foot sticks, yeah.
We get one full stick for here.
We'll do this one. Close the gate. It's time to get this money. Is this my first workout all week? It is, right? Yep. I mean, it is a new week.
Yeah.
I took Monday off. I just felt like I needed more rest. So I rested. I didn't take a break. I rested.
Pretty good.
What up, Blair? How are you, man?
Good, man.
Can't break the rule. Gotta keep that rule, baby. Let's see how much you weigh. I was gonna rock my new dude today, but they're icy white. Those are for a special workout. 210.8. Wait for the pump. no excuses, no breaks, baby. What's up, baby? We back. You're only gonna be able to get these exclusively on the red box, guys. It's gotta be in the red drop with the cherry slush, the aminos. Get that exclusive red box, limited edition. There's not gonna be that many of them, only a couple hundred. Maybe 250, maybe 280, something like that. So you better get that box, lock it in. You're gonna miss out on that new limited edition. What's up, baby? Let's go. You don't want to miss out on that flavor either. That cherry slush is fucking fire, right? Fire. The aminos and the pre. Lean 210. For real. Like bigger in the legs, I guess. I don't know. I don't feel 210 up top. White ass, they're like yellow. They're so white, they're like Casper. Look at this. Look how dark I am up top. That's insane. That's not healthy. That's gotta be unhealthy. Whoa. Even though I wasn't doing that much weight, fuck. Shit was burning. Feeling it today. I'm trying to push that pump, but I just probably weak from work all day. Even though I ate and shit, I burned up so much. Just being walking, moving. You know, my body at rest. It's like 3,000 fucking 500 calories. I probably barely consume that. If that. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. 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 Yeah. Just get my shoulders warmed up. It's hurting right now. That's a wrap, baby. You already know, guys. Killed it today at I'm exhausted. I'm delirious. Long ass fucking day, but your boy made some bread. Worked my ass off, made some money, didn't make any excuses, didn't take no motherfucking breaks, even though rest days are okay. I went and got this money today, guys. Killed some chest, did a little triceps or back arms, you know what I'm saying? Hit some calves in between, little superset. But yeah, this is a little bit of what the boot camp has got, guys. I mean, it's gonna be burnout supersets. It's gonna be the Joey Stax boot camp. I'm gonna be putting your ass to the ringer, and I want you guys to sign up, man. Everybody who's been showing love, commenting, you need to get your shit together. This is the boot camp for you. It's 30 bucks, guys. 30 bucks for a 6-week plan. You're gonna be able to communicate with everybody in the group. I'm on the group every single day, chatting it up with you guys. So if you wanna communicate back and forth with me in the group, check out the 6-week boot camp. It's in the description. Ricky put it at the top. And yeah, guys, 30 bucks is the best investment you can invest in your body. It's not a lot of money to see the results you're gonna get in 6 weeks, but you gotta be dedicated. I don't want you just signing up and not being dedicated. I want some dedicated people ready to get results. That way we get some good before and after pictures. We start helping more people, guys. It's not about the money, it's about helping people, right? 30 bucks investment into yourself, help you 6 weeks down the line see a better version of yourself. And that's all I want to do, guys. Help you see a better version of yourself. Can't wait for you guys to join the boot camp. Go to StaxArmy.com, copy some of that Stax Army merch. There ain't no stringers on there, but all tees are $20 right now, guys. Just showing love to everybody until I'm sold out. Then I'm gonna be rebranding, so y'all stay tuned. Can't wait for you guys to sign up for the boot camp. Let's go.